Hi. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Nuwara, Eliya, in the center, the mountainous region of Sri Lanka. Don't ask me how I got here, it's a long story. Anyways, my walking has led me way out into the middle of nowhere, and I'm kind of far from town, and I'd kind of like to get a ride back. Maybe I'll see if I can fly down a tuk-tuk or something. Get me back to the city center. So I'm a ways out of town. Hi.
You need a ride?
Hey, no way. Do I know you from somewhere? Hey, what's up? You got a spot for me? Oh, thanks. Oh, great. Thanks, guys.
Since when you here, man?
I just got here a couple days ago, and now I was kind of lost here. I wandered out of town. I needed a ride. Where are you guys going?
The mechanic.
Mechanic today. Oh, that'll be fun. Let's do it. Let's hit up a local mechanic. Do we know someone here?
Excuse me.
Hey, what's up? More friends. So do you guys have any idea where we're going for a mechanic? Do you know of any?
Tuk-tukrental told us.
Ah, nice.
45 days.
45 days with the tuk-tuk, ripping around Sri Lanka. You guys think I can join you?
Of course, man.
Hey.
Loads of space, man.
Yeah, there's loads of space. Look at this.
Share.
Oh, I'll get the next tank of gas. Take it. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well.
Good. Do you know a mechanic?
Mechanic here, yeah.
Ah, right there. Great. Yeah, tuk-tuk. Yeah, tuk-tuk
mechanic.
Thank you very much, sir. Hi. You mechanic?
Yeah.
Mechanic. Oh.
Stop. Okay, we can put some air in the car too.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
Hello.
If
Are you mechanic? Yes.
Ah, good.
Yeah, for tuk-tukrental. I need the cable, gear cable, to tighten up a little bit because I drive uphill, second gear, and then it goes back. I don't do nothing, it goes back, you know. I mean, you can test drive, you can try, you will see. Or maybe I can call tuk-tukrental. Yeah, it's they're for sale there. Yeah, go check how much it costs. But as far as I know, it costs like new ones cost like around $6,000.
Dollars?
Yeah.
6,000. That's actually pretty expensive.
I mean, if you take used ones, you can find cheaper, but like this one is.
That's one of the problems when you rent a tuk-tuk, is you're getting a used vehicle that other people have sometimes beaten up pretty good, and so problems can be frequent.
I don't touch it and it goes back. Like I was in third gear, uphill, driving, and then it goes back to second without me touching even the clutch or nothing.
The gang's all here. What's up? Any luck?
Huh?
Any luck with that guy?
I mean, usually, I don't know why he called his boss, but usually the tuk-tuk people, they're just like, from the rental, they talk to them, and I don't have to do shit.
Yeah.
I just smoke my cigarette and wait.
Have a dart.
Ah, my phone. Hello?
What's up, Reddy?
What's up?
You're gonna buy a new tuk-tuk over there at
Yeah,
the tuk-tuk
that's how
shop?
much it costs, and it costs like 800,000 rupees,
800,000 rupees.
which is like 2,000 US dollars.
For a new tuk-tuk?
No, for an old one.
For an old
used
one. Just one.
New one they don't have.
Okay.
It has inside, but it's around like $6,000
Dollars?
US.
Yeah.
6,000, huh?
800,000 for a used one.
And that's how much?
2,000
It's like
USDs?
2,000 US dollars.
Yeah, you see what?
For a used tuk-tuk.
I don't know what that is, so like something for.
Still, that's not that bad.
Yeah, we'll
Especially if you can resell it when you're done with it.
The other day we've been like, they brought us somewhere in the jungle, like a mechanic inside of the jungle somewhere.
Into the jungle?
Yeah, man, just
Down near the coast.
really deep inside.
Yeah.
The others went to that little market area way up there, and to have a tea or something.
I just need more air, like if I had it. Yeah, we fall on the side.
Had a tuk-tuk accident. His foot is worse.
Oh?
This foot.
Yeah, because you can't drive tuk-tuk.
And it's way better than it was a week ago, eh?
Yeah, it's like a week ago.
Okay, good luck. I hope it runs better.
Stop burning, man.
Stop what?
Burning.
Burning, yeah. now we find out how much that costs. Let's go through this. Wie viel kostet?
Not much, probably 2K or something like this.
Ah,
Maybe even less.
yeah.
It's quick.
It took like 5 minutes.
Yeah. But we didn't really drive uphill, so
That's
I don't
it.
know if it's really fixed. We will see. Oh, look, a rat.
Oh yeah. It was a rat, you sure?
Yeah, that was a rat.
Ah, it's like the sewage.
Oh no, you say how much because I don't pay, the tuk-tuk rental pays at the end. You say how much it costs, no problem. No need, really? Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Alright, bye. No need to pay, but I will give him something. I don't know.
Just a tip for him.
Yeah.
Thank you. Stuti. Stuti. Awesome. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. You guys catch that? The owner of this garage, he didn't want any money for that
We can
quick
give him
fix.
some beetle nuts if you want.
Yeah, because I don't think I need the beetle nut.
Where did the others
Beetle
go?
nut?
Inside here?
Yeah, they're in that market over there. If you can see it way up there.
Here on the left or not?
They went walking, so I'm not sure if you can where to drive there. There's the path over here. Maybe we can get through. Okay, thank you. Bye. You find it's driving better so far?
The gear is better now, in my opinion. He's tightened up really good at this.
Nice.
But I don't know till I drove a little bit up.
Yeah, you need to drive a little bit more before you notice the difference. That's amazing. A free repair.
That's pretty decent.
Yeah, that's decent.